3,500 is nothing sa makukuha nyo pong return of investment dun sa 3,500 nyo po. To be honest, ngayon, kung kukunin nyo yung masteral tutorial course, makikita nyo po sa loob ng video yung sekreto namin kung papaano marami kaming ginagamit na way para magkaroon ng magandang markup, which is yung ating regular markup sa ticket, ating travel now pay later, and the hottest and new products that we have, which is the dummy ticket. So you can't imagine why we are earning from regular 8,000 to 11 grand. It could goes up high kapag in-scale up po namin ang aming business. It could go from 15 to 20 grand a month, depending po sa binabato naming advertisement sa Facebook.